Today we are good morning. Today we are going to see the simple MySQL function. We'll write a small function. First, what you do is you open your Notepad or MS Word. So I'm showing you here how to write the MySQL function. Okay, so this is MySQL function. You just write here whatever you want. You write here the code. Okay, the delimiter is nothing but whenever the $$ encounters, then it has to come out. Generally, previously what happens is in MySQL, it is a command line prompt it works on. So whenever it encounters a semicolon, it comes out of that particular instruction. So until you encounter $$, you don't come out. Okay, you take it as one program like that. So we first define the delimiter $$. Either you can say simple any other hash also you can say, or hash also you can say. So here the delimiter I have mentioned as a $$, and I am ending with $$. So when I press $$, it is coming out of that particular loop. Okay. Next, another thing is the create function name and bracket. Okay, any input is there, you can write here in this braces, and what it returns is it returns the integer type. Wherever you are calling, it is returns the integer type here. Generally begin end, and any declaration, temporary declaration you can do here. I am declaring a temp. It is also of type of int, and what I am doing is simply I am having a class 1 table. In that I am having the name, some item, and the price of that item. Okay, so that I am reading into the temp and I am returning it. Okay, that's what I am doing here. Okay, and finally how to run the program is I am calling the select F2 and $$ to come out. So then it will print the output. So procedure is used for call. If you call, it is for procedure, and for function you write it as a select function name to run the function. Okay, now let us see our MySQL. Okay, this is MySQL where I am using the M N R database. My database already created. I am using that one. So next I'm describing this class 1. Class 1 table is created. In class 1 I'm having code, subject, price. Okay, this is what I'm having, and code is of some item code. It is of integer. Subject maybe the textbook varchar. Price, its amount, how much it cost. Okay, now what I have taken some input two rows I have taken. Okay, and then some 100 and 200 two textbooks I have taken. So then the delimiter, the function name is F2, returns integer, begin, declare. So selecting price and summing it, adding that price. So 100 rupees, 200 rupees I have taken, that price I am adding, and I am storing it in the temp temp from class 1. Table name is class 1, and I am returning the temp. End, begin, end, it is common. Finally $$ to come out from this particular function. So now after creating it, what you are getting is query. Okay, 0 rows affected. Now I am going to run it. By how I am going to run it? By using the select F2. So I am running it, $$ to come out, and I am getting some 100 plus 200. It is nothing but 300. Okay, so this is how you are going to write the function. Okay, call the function, and you are getting the output. Okay, thank you.